Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. We got this from Best Buy for the Black Friday deal. So let's start. So this is what it looks like. The special bundle from Best Buy. It includes this accessories. So let's open. So this is the camera itself. The back. Let's open. Oops. So what's inside this box are just manuals, a GoPro sticker, GoPro Plus, the manual itself, and these are the accessories included. Here they do get micro SD, a cord, the head strap, oh, it's so tiny. the shorty. This is the mini extension pole and tripod. Look how small it is. Next is the battery and the extra battery. The mount, the extra mount sticker. For this is the camera itself. Look. Let's just compare it with the battery. So small. Won't let me open it. So let's see. Oh, this is the wow. This one will work. I need to get this off. I'll do it later. first, let's pick English. It's touchscreen too. And then agree on skip setup. And today's date is 11/29/2019. What is it? This is so cool. I can't wait to try this.
So that's it. Hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.